no. This is how you get the mods inside of another company. You have to get the winter on job. Okay. Go. Server. Go in here. Go to the App Store and pick this. Put an h4k tag. It's right here. Download it. Oh shit. Oh my, I just showed my friend's name. No, no, to someone and to know, no, I will belong to me. No, okay, when it's downloaded, come here, settings, allow microphone. I don't see that, but do not click on my default. We have winter, which I should have agreed with that. Go to the App Store again. Or not an App Store. Go to your thing. Can't do it. No, update the game. Then we're not patched. It's still here, but yeah. So you give it. You got my shirt? No.